I bet you didn't know there's a science to building quality into every pill you take. It's called quality by design, and it's transforming pharmaceutical development. Quality by design, or QbD, is a systematic approach that starts with clear objectives and uses science and risk management to deliver safe, effective medicines. Here are the core elements. First, the Quality Target Product Profile, or QTPP, sets your product's goals. Think dosage, strength, and stability. Next, critical quality attributes, or CQAs, are what you must control, like how fast a tablet dissolves. Risk assessment tools, such as fishbone diagrams and FMEA, help pinpoint what could go wrong. With design of experiments, or DOE, you test variables to find the sweet spot for performance. Then, a solid control strategy keeps everything in check, from raw materials to finished tablets. Finally, lifecycle management means you keep improving, batch after batch. Take Metformin extended release tablets. QbD ensured consistent drug release, robust manufacturing, and fewer surprises. So start thinking QbD, whether you're a student or future pharma pro. Like, share, and subscribe for more bite-sized pharma insights. Let's break down how QbD was applied to Metformin extended release tablets step by step. First, the team defined the Quality Target Product Profile, or QTPP. For Metformin, this meant setting clear goals for dosage, release rate, and tablet strength to ensure safe and effective blood sugar control. Next, they identified critical quality attributes, or CQAs, like tablet dissolution rate and uniformity. These attributes were measured in the lab to make sure every batch met the required standards. The team then performed risk assessments using tools like fishbone diagrams and FMEA. This helped them spot potential issues, such as ingredient variability or process errors, before they could affect quality. With design of experiments, or DOE, they tested different formulation variables, like binder type and mixing time, to find the optimal combination for consistent drug release. A robust control strategy was put in place, using automated systems and in-process checks to monitor quality from raw materials to finished tablets. Finally, lifecycle management ensured ongoing improvement. By tracking performance data and making updates as needed, the product stayed safe and effective for patients. By following these QbD steps, Metformin extended release tablets deliver reliable results, batch after batch, helping millions manage their health with confidence. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Dr. Satish Polshettiwar's educational channel for more insightful pharma content and case studies.
If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with others who'd benefit. See you in the next video.